Alright folks, welcome to the stream. So here's a quick update on, oh hang on, I can hear myself. There we go, that's better. Okay, so alright, quick update just on where we are at. I've changed my screen, as you can see, just to hopefully make it not as scrunched up. So gold and silver. So as you can see, we've had some movement. Let me change that to an hour, and we'll head back over here. Now, first things first, the market's been, since the drop, it's sort of been pretty flat. Not really going anywhere, is it? However, it's not going down, which is the main thing. So so we're in the green, which is good. We have gained a bit of money there. However, with the silver, I don't know what happened. I was on my phone. I must have accidentally pressed the sell button by accident. Like, I don't know. I can't explain it. But my silver position disappeared, and it definitely didn't hit a sell loss because I didn't have one for that. Sorry, the stop loss. I didn't have a stop loss on for that, so I don't know. I must have, accidentally swiped across the screen or touched something, which is annoying. So I had to rebuy silver at a higher price, which again, annoying. But having said that, it is in the green. So now our margin's still pretty low, but that's okay. Once we have about 2,000 profit in that gold position, we will be buying another gold position, and we will just be buying another 5 units. I just noticed I got something missing. Where is it? Just gonna stop that for a second. Okay. So yes, we'll be buying another 5 units of gold once we hit that $2,000. Now, this morning I was looking at the high and low for the first hour there, and basically, as you can see, that, hang on, let's do half hour, just gives you a bit more visibility of what happened. So there's the high for silver, there's the low for silver for the first hour. So 1, 2, 3, no, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 candles. That was first 3 hours. The first hour, 3 candles. So that was the high, and then the low was down here. Now again, at this point, it breached the high, which now I wasn't here for that. I was out working, so I didn't see that. Otherwise, well, yeah, I was going to say otherwise I would have bought here again. Obviously not the 5 units, but just something, whatever margin I had, to get those gains, because we know if it's going to breach that, it's most likely going to keep going up, which it did. So we kind of missed out a little bit here, but look, it is what it is. I can't be sitting in front of this thing 24/7. It's not my main job, so still got to put food on the table. Now, yeah, there's the bottom, but obviously that's not an issue. Now, I don't know what's going to happen next at this point, because this could pull back down and hopefully just bounce off that line right here. I don't know. I haven't had a chance to really sit down and look at all this. Let's have a look at this one. So where's 9 a.m.? There's 9 a.m. there. Okay, there's the top of the line, top of the, and then where's 10? 10's here. Right here. Okay, and that's already red, so very different to yesterday. It was a very big spread, and then today was very small spread, which is good because that's yeah, look at this, even gold jumped out. Let's do that through 30 minutes. So from this morning, where are we? Here, went there, went up, down, up, and now it's sort of just riding that line. So gold didn't do as good as gold. Still went over the line, but you know. Alright, let's get rid of this so we don't have a million lines, and we're just going to focus on this. So that's where we are at today. And so this one, bring that there. Okay. So overall, today's been a good day. Or early this morning. Because usually all the good stuff happens while I'm in bed, which was round about yeah, so basically when the US market opened, it started going up, and then it sort of dropped off and then went up again, and now it's sort of crawling its way back up. So it's back sort of where it was before. What about gold? Yeah, gold is being gold, so there's not much I can say about gold at the moment. RSI is still okay. It's starting to pull back a bit. Don't like it when these charts just get moved by themselves. Definitely going into, well, it looks like it's trying to push down. Now it's time. 2:44 here. The next market doesn't open until I think 5 in my time. Which I think is Germany. 5 and 6, I think Germany and then the UK. So we'll see how that pans out. Yeah, let me just see what my phone wants. It's pinging me. What do you want? Missed call? No. Messages. Claim day 0 offer. Ah, bloody Jim's trying to get me to join. I'd rather sit here, get fat while making money. Because then I can use the money to get thin. So it works, right? Who needs a gym, right? Well, at some point. Hey, what was that? Did Twitch just glitch on me? Don't know what that was. That was weird. I don't see any messages. Alright, let's close that. Just gonna check my live feed again. Looking good. Oh, it's my cameras that are going off. Someone outside. Let me have a look. Eating some homemade bread. Okay. Why is my camera being special? Where the hell did my camera go? There we go. Well, there's nothing there. Oh, well. False alarm. Okay. Yeah, so as I was saying, it has gone up above. Well, it's back to actually. So yesterday, what were we doing yesterday? Yeah, it's sort of back at the same levels as yesterday. So it did drop and then come back up. I'm still expecting it to go up at some point. We just got to be patient and wait it out, I guess. Oh my god, why is my camera going off? There's no one there. Is there? I don't see anything. There's no one walking past. No one hanging around. Yet it keeps going off. Anyway. Yeah, what was I going to do? I was going to try something out. What was I going to try? See what that does. What the hell? Look at me go. Nice. Ah, shit, where'd my screen go? Sorry folks, that was my bad. Oh man. I have no idea what the controls are for this, so stop it. How do you I probably should have done that earlier. Can't tell her up. Well, I don't know what my computer's doing. Why does it keep switching? I think there's something wrong with my mouse. Different tower types. back to that one. Let's have a look at, seriously, this, I think I need a new mouse. It keeps flicking. No one said to do anything but stay on there. Alright, let's have a look at the 4-hour charts here, see where we are at. Yeah, it's pretty stale. Look at that 4-hour chart. It's just sort of scraping the scraping its arse along, not wanting to pick up. That is annoying. There's my buy-in here, nice and low. This one's a bit high though. Didn't really have a choice though. Yeah, it's not looking too bad, and we're up. We're in the green, so that's a good start. Yeah, plenty of things to entertain yourself with while you're here. Just type in fish, or if you're watching on Twitch, you can basically go fishing or go and play the tower game. Now, while I am here, I better put this disclaimer in. Oh God, what is that? It's not what I wanted to do. My bad. What is going on there? I accidentally pasted. Oh my God. it copied the whole page thing. Oh, that's terrible. That's right, we could fix that. Let's throw one of these in there. One of these. Oh, how do I delete that? If you're on Twitch, had a little copy and paste issue there, so here it is again, just a disclaimer. Just ignore that other one. Can't seem to take it off. Alright, so silver is still a long way away from us buying into it. We'll buy into it earlier than later. So at $1,000 profit, I'll probably look at it and go, yeah, buy. And 2,000 for the gold. Now we'll just do another 30 minutes. So I'm going to do an hour stream today, only because I'm streaming at a time where the market's not really going to do anything. Actually, you know what? I'm going to keep it short. I might come back. Hang on, 3. I might jump on tonight before I go to sleep for the New York market, and give you an update, see where we're at, see if it does anything. Yeah, maybe I'll jump on for an hour. All right. Let's see. There's nothing else really to do. I've already marked my highs and lows. Change that to an hour. Actually, we change it to 30 minutes. And there you have it. Looks like it's on a downtrend, or about to go into downtrend. How much of a downtrend are we talking here? Ugh. Man, I wish I was awake for these dips. I could make some extra money on there, but it's too late for me. I gotta sleep. Got work the next day usually. Tomorrow, let's see what's on tomorrow. It's Thursday tomorrow. I am going out for a stock market event thing. At 1 o'clock. Can't remember how long it's for. But I think that's going to be very interesting. Oh God, what is it? Oh yeah, I was checking something, wasn't I? Sorry, I just tuned out for a second there. Saw a story pop up on the feed there. Alright, tomorrow, Thursday. So it looks like, yeah, definitely from 1 I won't be available. I'll probably jump on in the morning for a quick stream to see how everything's going. Alright, where are we? So yeah, it looks like it could be going into maybe a small little downtrend here. Maybe. I could buy into it, but the signals aren't quite there yet. Definitely not in the silver. Gold, I won't know for another 25 minutes, I think. I'll keep watching that. We'll see what happens there. Apart from that, yeah, it's going to be a short one today, but I will hopefully see you in the next video. So yes, just to recap, if you've just jumped in, where are we? So we're looking like, well, we are back in the green, and compared to last week, I think we are now up. So this is, we're in week 2 now, but we're down. So we'll see come Monday. I'm hoping to see double profits there by Monday, but we'll see how we go. Alright folks, nice and short. I'll see you all next time. Do enjoy the rest of your day, or if you're just going to sleep, enjoy the next day. But I am out for today.